So now let's see how we can use the find and replace option inside of Google Slides. So over here you can see that I already have Google Slide and I have a bunch of text right here which says this is a paragraph. Let's say what I want to do is change the word paragraph into sentence. So I'm just going to go around into edit for this. And over here you can see that there's find and replace as an option. So if I were to click on this right here, we can see that I can go ahead and find out a word. So I can go ahead and type in paragraph right here. So just like that, and I can just go ahead and type in paragraph, and I can see that all the paragraph words get highlighted. And I can go around over here and replace it with something like sentence. I'm just going to go around and type in sentence. And what I can do is I can replace. So I can replace it one by one right here. And you can see that it replaces a paragraph by sentence one by one. Or I can replace all and everything will be replaced, as you can see right here. So right now you can see that even the sentence, the paragraph as the topic got replaced. That is because we didn't have match case turned on. So I'm just going to go around and change this out now. So I'm just going to go around. Let's say only some will be capital cases right here. So let's say I only want to replace the ones with capital cases into paragraph again. So I'm just going to go around and type in sentence with capital S. I'm just going to go around sentence right here. So everything is being highlighted right now. But if I were to go over here into match case, then you can see that only the ones with the uppercase are now highlighted. And now what I can do is I can simply replace it with paragraphs. So I'm just going to go and type in paragraph. So paragraph right here, and then replace all, and that is how it works out. So that is how you can use the find and replace to replace out contents inside of Google Slides. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.